Hello, geospatial enthusiasts. We are at the Woodlands Waterway Marriott Hotel and Convention Center in Texas, covering the Pipeline Week, which includes the GITA annual conference and the POTS user conference. The conference essentially brings together all the pipeline industry together to discuss and deliberate the availability of the latest technologies, which including drones, the process automation, and mobile computing, terrestrial and airborne LiDAR, and several other new technologies together.
And we are part of Pipeline Week, partnering with GITA. And POTS Association is a membership organization primarily made up of pipeline operators and service providers. Most of our service providers are software companies. And we develop, maintain, and advance the PODS data model that is based on the center line of a pipeline. And it keeps the data architecture for all of the pipeline records. And so we're a volunteer organization, and our volunteers then develop and advance that data model that's used by a good majority of the pipeline industry, particularly in North America.
In terms of uniqueness, this conference, more than any conference I've been associated with, I've been doing this for 12 years. I've been on the advisory board in various capacities for this event for 12 years. This conference provided challenges because of the oil price. It's the elephant in the room, right? Everyone knows that when you go from $100 plus a barrel oil to $40 a barrel oil, it's going to impact the pipeline operators, which have always been the bread and butter of this conference. It's going to impact the service providers. They're going to have less opportunities to do the work and get the money that they need to sustain themselves. So with those challenges, the uniqueness that brings is generating the excitement around the content that makes it worth having companies put their their money into investing in their individuals coming to this event. It's we feel very fortunate that this year's event has reached pretty close to the numbers we had last year when we had a much more favorable market in the oil and gas industry.
We have a new product called Field Inspector that supports the PODS database. It allows pipeline and natural gas organizations to standardize data collection, whether that's new assets or existing assets, to do inspections. It has proximity functions that won't allow you to do the work unless you're within the specified distance. And again, that's an option. It also allows you to incorporate ODBC databases as well as integrate with GIS, so you can pull in existing spatial assets. And if you have poor positioning or less than desirable accuracy, you can utilize this product to allow you to get better accuracy over the course of time, as opposed to hiring people to do this just as a business. And it's also available for support for mobile applications such as Android.
PetroID primarily providing solutions for the new pipeline construction and oil and gas industry, and our solutions primarily focus from start to the finish. When I say start, is basically when you start procuring your material, when you're planning your projects, and you want to track your progress, all that thing. The wheel you can see is basically talks about the different solution modules we have, starting for the material tracking, so you can actually track material when the production is happening using the barcode systems. And we use these devices, basically it's a field data capture devices, and it has got a smart forms wherein you just scan a barcode and fill in the information. Once that is done, you get all your information at a single platform. So we also have a web-based application where once the data is captured from the field, it publishes information on a single platform. So apart from that, we got a solution for construction management. So when actually the pipelines are built on the field, so you can pull out the information from the field to a common source. The other benefits of our solution is basically a compliance management. So all these applications which are used for the field data capture are embedded with a QC checks or a quality checks. So it doesn't allow you to feed in the wrong information, and it primarily allows you to correct the information when the work is actually happening. So that when the operator or the end user get the information, he has the information which is validated, he has the information which is required, and that's how it happened. And our solutions are all integrated with the GIS application, and we are partners to Esri. And primarily, it doesn't matter you're using pods or any other databases, all this software can push that data to those databases.
For the second year in a row, we're co-located with the PODS user conference, and we've had just a fabulous turnout, just tremendous turnout. Excellent sessions are going on throughout the week. We have 3 full days scheduled, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And we had a golf tournament on Monday, which raised funds for the GITA Scholarship Fund. Appreciate everyone coming to the conference, and this is an event you should not miss for 2016, and I hope to see you here next year.